How to redeem Forever 21 gift card. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you guys can redeem Forever 21 gift card. So before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let's begin. First step is head over to forever21.com. Then log in into your account. After you do that, you'll need to head over to whatever you want to buy. So let's just go and search for something and add it to our cart. So let's add this to our cart and let's add it to cart. And after adding it to cart, you can then head over to your cart and here you will see your order summary. Right here, you can go through all the required details. And after you calculate your shipping, you'll see this coupon code section. All you have to do is enter your gift card's code right here. And after doing that, it will be deducted from your total. And as you can see, coupon code will be applied on the checkout page. So after you tap on proceed to checkout, they will verify the coupon code and then they will provide you with the discount that you get from that very gift card. And it's basically that simple, guys. And that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos and bye bye. Take care.